Alright, today's August 25th, 2025. Gonna go over today's pre-market plans and ideas. Gonna go over yesterday's movement trades that I took. I took one trade yesterday. Trade looked good, but didn't work out. We're looking for a short yesterday. So, market's opening up in about 2 minutes here. So we're gonna go and zoom on through. Alright, let's it's forward. It's 9:45. So for the time being, I'm looking for a short around this 94.76, 78 to this sorry, this 64. 76, 64.81. Looking for a short up here. That's where we had something here. It doesn't show it now, but there was some strong selling at that point when I did the pre-market. Now I don't see that, but we had this weird buy here, and then on the 19 tick chart they had their strong selling. So that's why I marked. I think when the market opened, it just decided to correct itself. As you can see, all of a sudden, bam, it's like a whole different chart. $34. Boom, right? It just decided to bam, correct itself. Right? Anyways. That's the strong selling part I had up here. Right? So I marked it. And then that also just went away, right? I don't know why, but it's been marked. So that's where I was looking for price to come into. So price came into that area very quickly and rejected. You can see that it rejected very quickly, so I didn't get what I was looking for. I was looking for a deeper pull. We have 3 buys pushing price up, which I think price needs to clear. We also have buys down here, so it's very like speculative that price may not want to go down yet. Price does break this one, and I took a short. So we had a strong buy, and we had to sell. I think it's due to this right here. That's what caught my attention. So I said, okay, we got this one here. Maybe it's ready to go. We are still in this strong buy area, but we need to break through it. And I made note of that. So I took the trade. Price could not get below my entry, unfortunately. Very good stop loss area. At one point, price challenged those lows. There it is. Okay, now this look good. I added to the trade, so now I'm at 5 because we had another sell into this level. Okay, cool. Maybe price is ready to go. I'm giving it a shot, even though we have all these buys, but look like price wants to. NQ looks like it's wanting to reject. VIX is down here holding this area here, so a lot of things are lining up, and a lot of things are lining up. We barely moved out, and then price starts to reverse, and I just took my exit. So I remodified my stop loss. I said screw it, taking the exit. Probably was down 100 something, 100, probably like 125, I would say. Right, so 112, 120. Right, took the trade off. Like screw it, not working out. All right, so I'm glad I did that because price did push up higher, and now we're at 1137, and price is just not moving. And then I thought about taking this other trade here, but I said, what's the point? We're above the last selling vantage point, so there's no point of getting into it. There's no sell over here. Everything's a straight buy and moving up. So then look at this, right? So now it's like this candle, yeah, that candle there, right? So this candle here, right, formed around 1152, right? 1152. The volume, strong volume here, right? 1152. Just accumulating, right? Bam. It's accumulating. Accumulating, bam, right? Absorbing, right? Bam. So now it's 12:48. So an hour has gone by. Strong accumulation. Price wanting to break through. NQ's holding up here. VIX is down here holding, right? A strong selling. The strong buying. Strong selling comes in. Strong volume. What's happening? An eye on that 25 tick chart. Strong absorption here. Price didn't continue higher. We did have the strong buying here, so I wasn't too interested in going short because we had the strong buying here, but we didn't leave the area yet. And then here we go. Bam. Potential area for retest. Let's see if we get a retest, because that would be where the entry is. You pull up. That's close enough. Maybe enter there. I would like to get a hammer candle instead. Right. If not, I would have to enter here. Stop loss there. Right. I would like to get a hammer candle instead. I don't think we ever come back up there. I think price just melts away. Yep, melts away all the way down. Then we get double selling right here. Right here we got first selling on the 26 chart, followed by here. All right, so now another potential entry for continuation lower, because we get this at the end of the day. Right at the end, we get a nice 10-point drop, which would have been a nice point, but I would have preferred to have to get in that entry up there at 6480 for that 20-point move. But this trade took the whole damn day to work out. All right, and this is the short I was looking for. It just came at the wrong time for me. All right, so for today, let's try to set up some levels if we can. Let's see where price is. We'll go to the daily first. See what the volume look like. Not much. 4 hour. So, okay. 1 hour. All right, so we're gonna clear all of this. This is the area where price had that low volume node, and we came down to it. We came down to all of that. All right. We have a little small low volume node right here. All right, but price came all the way down to it. All right. Now, yeah, this is probably the other area right here where we might be able to get something. 30 minutes. Now we're going to set up our highs and our lows. So I'm going to get rid of everything else that doesn't really matter. Like this doesn't count, doesn't count, doesn't count. This can go, this can go, this can go. This can go. That can go. Settlement price can go. We're going to grab this high. I'm going to make a high. I got time for this shit. That can go. Okay. All right, now we got this high here. We had a lot of volume in. What a market. I'm gonna mark the low, which is right about here. So We're gonna go into the 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute first. All right, don't really have anything to really work with. 5 minute. So yeah, I look for a rejection up here. Don't really have much. If you look at the different range charts, you know, buyers are in the wrong weird spot, sellers are in the weird spot. So yeah, okay, so pretty much it. So probably looking for a rejection up here, something or something to just create itself. Let's do NQ. Okay. Okay, we're inside the 20 seconds candle. All right, we're inside the 20 seconds candle. Is ES the same way? Yeah, ES is inside that 20-second candle. That 20-second candle. So we might move back down towards here. So might be just be looking for shorts. Okay. 4 hours. 1 hour. Alright, we're gonna do some deleting. 30 minutes. So now we're starting to get starting to get I don't know what we're starting to get. Getting something. Settlement price. Mm-hmm. Okay. Go back to this has settlement price for this one. Alright. How the fuck you settled way up there? Don't have the settlement price. Isn't the same settlement price. Interesting. Okay. Alright, so we're basically done here. Let's go to VIX. VIX didn't do much yesterday, so I'm not gonna do much to it. It basically just stayed within the range down here. So either it's gonna bounce up and then bring ES and NQ down, bring ES down, or just sit there and piss me off by doing nothing. So I'm done. Levels pretty much this up here, this down here. Trying to go further, break out. Don't really have much to work with. Alrighty, so with that, I am done. I'll holler at you later. Adios.